I am standing with Dr. Yibing Wang, the inventor of the VeMMA formula. And we call him Dr. Y, though. It's a little more endearing. But Dr. Y, I thought this would be a great opportunity to be able to get the members all the way around the world a little sneak peek behind the scenes at how this VeMMA formula actually winds up in a bottle.
To make sure we have a great product, we start with the raw materials. So the raw materials are pre-blended and kitted before it was shipped to the manufacturing facility. And here we stage it, we get ready to blend.
Now the nice thing about it is we have raw materials literally coming in from all parts of the world.
Right.
And it's important that the team knows that every time VeMMA is run, you're on site. And every time Verve is run, either you're on site or somebody from your team is on site. And so we have complete quality assurance all the way through every process of it. But let's take the team through a little bit of the process and talk to them about how this actually winds up on their doorstep. And I guess it all starts right here, doesn't it?
Exactly.
And what are we standing in front of?
This is a high shear mixer that would can maximize the efficiency of a blending without introducing extra oxygen or air into the product.
Now why is that important? Why is oxygen? You don't want to add extra oxygen.
Well, oxygen can oxidize the ingredients, like vitamins. We don't want to introduce any free radicals into the product itself. So by doing this, we minimize that effect so that we can have a great product to start with.
And you make VeMMA in batches. To do a batch, how long does it take in the blending process?
It takes about 5 hours to make a
5 hours. And a batch is how many bottles?
A batch is about 27,000, but and we do 2 batches side by side, so each time we do at least 55,000.
So every batch is about 27,000 bottles. It takes 5 hours just to prepare the formula to go into the bottling process.
Exactly.
Great. Okay, so the process comes through. It goes through the lines at 34 degrees. Tell me a little bit about this special flash pasteurization process that we all hear so much about and the importance of it.
Well, the products started with high quality, but we want to make sure the products is super clean before they go into the bottles. So we use this flash pasteurization process for only 2.55 seconds, and then it basically kills all the microbes and keep the products fresh and clean. The environment is microbe-free. It's a aseptic environment. The air in the filling room is through HEPA filter, super clean air. And the product,
so it's actually the filling process is actually done in a special chamber?
Yes, exactly. In a chamber, the air is sterile air. Bottles are sterilized, the caps are sterilized, the products are clean.
And the shrink wrapping process, I think, is pretty cool. As you know, these white bottles are coming down with their orange lids on the line, and then the labels come on there, and then it goes through a steam tunnel.
Yes, it goes through a steam tunnel to make sure the labels are applied evenly on the bottles.
It's very impressive. And during this whole process, tell me you talk to us a little bit about the QA/QC procedures that go on, before the raw materials are actually blended together. But then tell me about the quality control processes that go on during the manufacturing process.
Well, during the bottling process, we take the bottles every 15 minutes, and we test for pH breaks, titrated acids. So to make
every 15 minutes, you do a quality control test.
Yes, we pull samples.
So you just pull a sample off the line.
When the products arrive in our warehouse, we do again an extensive quality control.
So you quarantine them?
We quarantine them, and we pull samples again randomly, and we test for the samples for pH breaks, titrated acid, also microbial contents to make sure the products are all clean and ready, it's safe to be used.
Well, all of this is really impressive, and team, I hope you appreciate the levels of quality assurances that Dr. Y's team has put into place to make sure that we're delivering you the best product that gets the best results for your members and customers and loved ones. Dr. Y, thank you very much. Keep up the great work. Even I learned something new today.
Thank you, Steve.
All right. Thank you very much, team. Bye for now.